Hello and welcome to another video from CBS Tech. You know more about the contents of the package I do from the thumbnail. I had a lot of unwrappings of deliveries to do, and they might some of them are a month old, and I might have got them in the wrong order. So I haven't opened this one. It's just I took the packing label off. So if it's the one I think it is, then it's an unusual storage device, hopefully. So let's try and get this open. I might just rip it. I can't see me using this box again. Yeah, so there we are. It's hard to get out. Yeah, this is the one I think it is. So again, I think this was quite a bargain. It was a total of £14.16. The actual item, including eBay's buy protection fee, was £11.03. And I was saying in the earlier video, a week or so ago, that you shouldn't really be paying more than about £2 per cassette for decent quality, new old stock Type 1 cassettes. But I paid a little bit more for this one, I think. So we haven't got 10 in now. So yeah, but I bought this because I like the box. I've never seen anything like this. It's got a little carry handle, I think. Is that a popper? No, it's not a popper. Oh, it's a bit grotty. Need a bit of a clean up. But yeah, these are the poppers. So it came originally as 10 TDK D90s. That's quite a nice little carry case. It smells old. Yeah, it smells old. It smells like it's been in a loft somewhere. So, what did I say? How much was this? Let me look. 14.16 all in. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so less than £2 per tape and the box. I don't think we should be paying any more than £2. I do a lot of looking on eBay for this stuff. This is all dusty. Do a lot of looking on eBay for this type of thing, and if you're prepared to wait and do an auction, normally if you do buy it now, you're going to pay more. Usually, what was this? Was this an auction? Yeah, this was an auction. There were 8 bids, and I got it for £11.22 plus postage. So do auctions, put some bids in, and if your bid is beaten, then just let it go, because there's plenty online eventually that will come up. So less than £2. You shouldn't have to pay more than £2 for one of these TDK D90s. There's plenty available on auction if you're prepared to wait for them. And I would say £1.50 for these new old stock FE90s, including postage. So I've got quite a good deal on these, I think. So these are great. They're sort of legendary TDK D90s. I think I've done an unwrapping of these. And if I have, I'm going to put it up there and down in the description, so you can have a look at what they look like when you unwrap them. But hopefully this is going to be a fairly short video that's easy to edit. I'll just quickly go through all of those. Let's make sure they're all the same UPC at the back. Unique product code. Yeah, I think there's a little bit of fading on this one. It's just dirty. So a quick look. Make sure they're not damaged. Yeah, a bit grotty. So I'll get my Mr. Sheen on those. It's always nice to have some new old stock. I've decided now that I'm not going to buy used cassettes, because quite often they've got some damage to them, and new basic cassettes are pretty good. Likewise, chrome, you shouldn't really be paying more than about £6 unless it's a specialist chrome one. So that's it. Let's have a look at the little box. Nothing special. Might take the wrapping off. Made in Japan. Yeah, very nice. So let's have a quick look. I've now sat down and done 2 videos today. This one, which is really short. Oops. And I unwrapped the package that all these came in. And also I talked about that in the last video that I've just shot, which went up 1 or 2 weeks ago on the channel. And I'm thinking I haven't got room to store all of these cassettes, so let me go and get my storage box. Oh, actually I do have more than I thought I did. I thought I'd used, how many are in there? Oh, right, okay, I've got quite a bit. Okay, I'm going to shoot another quick video. It's going to be up in a week or two, and I'm going to have a look and see exactly what stock I've got. But for now, that's the end of this video. I'll see you in the next video.